Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play F1 game. To begin your F1 journey, first familiarize yourself with the fundamental controls for accelerating, braking, and steering your car. For an easier start, select an automatic transmission. Choose a simpler track, such as Bahrain or Austria, to learn the ropes. Make sure all driver assists are enabled. These will help you maintain control and build confidence on the track. This foundational approach will set you up for success. Mastering your controls is key to improving. Focus on identifying the optimal braking points before each corner to carry maximum speed through the turn. Practice smooth, precise steering inputs to prevent losing traction. Experiment with driver assists like traction control and anti-lock brakes. These provide valuable support. As your confidence grows, gradually reduce these assists to gain more control and shave precious tenths of a second off your lap times. Consistent practice makes perfect. Effective race strategy is crucial for victory. Learn about the different tire compounds like soft, medium, and hard, and how they affect your car's performance and wear over a race distance. Plan your pit stops strategically, considering both tire degradation and fuel consumption. Simple car setup adjustments, such as modifying front and rear wing angles, can significantly impact downforce and grip. Also, manage your fuel load to balance speed and efficiency throughout the race. To truly excel, incorporate advanced techniques. Master the use of ERS, or Energy Recovery System, and DRS, Drag Reduction System, for strategic overtakes and defending positions. Consistently practice the ideal racing line through every corner to maximize your speed and minimize lap times. Spend time in time trial mode to endlessly refine your technique and find those extra hundredths of a second. Reviewing your race replays is also invaluable for identifying areas where you can improve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.